how to fix Instagram edit app restyle option not showing. So if you want to fix your edit app restyle option not showing, then first what you need to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because without the internet connection, you won't be able to find that option. So make sure that you have an internet connection. Once done, you need to open up your Play Store and make sure you're using either your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Go with your search and search for edits. After searching for your edits, you need to tap on it. And if you have any updates on your edits, you will have the update button right here. You need to just simply go and update it. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to go back and then you'll find the edits application, right? So tap and hold on to your edits application, go with the app info section. From the app info, you need to scroll down, go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go and uninstall the application. Just tap and hold on to it, go with the app info section, and here you will have uninstall. Go with uninstall, and then again go with your Play Store and reinstall the application. After reinstalling, log in, and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.